Hey guys, it's me, JamesX136, and give a shout out to one of my classmates. His name's Kieran, and doing halves of 10. Right, so half of 16 is what? Right, so half of 12 is 6. Right, these are really difficult. Sums, half of 10 is 5. Half of 18 is 9. Half of 14 is 7. And half of 16 is, where is it? There it is. These are all in number order. Even there's there's a 0. Why did I just waste time? Right. So these are really easy sums because I know them all. Ha! Yes. Needed 2 more to get 20. 2 more. Wait, what? What do I got? Menu. Okay. Let's do times tables by hit the question. Hit the answer and freeze. 7 times 3 is 21. 9 times 3 is 2 times 3 is that, and then you got 6 times 3, eh? Oh wow! No, 21. No, 18. That's the one. I got 2 wrong so far. 8 times 3. Let me guess. 24. 6 times 3. No, it's 18. So much. Wow, I got 3 wrong. No. Wow, I got 4 wrong. Oh, I hate my freeze. I can't do them. I'm not doing freeze. I'm going to do a different match. Oh, my 8. My 10s. I'll hit the answer. 2 times 10, 20. 7 times 10 is 17. 10 times 10. I can do these real quick, so because I know my 10s. They're not in number order anymore. Wait. Because it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 70, 50, 90, 180. So these are really going to be pretty hard job. So, where is it? Yeah, that is. Oh, got 1 wrong. No. Too hard. Too hard for me. No, I'm joking. We'll just go on division facts. Division by 2. Right, 6 times divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That is 2. I'm going to stay quiet for a while because I need to focus, and that's going to be very hard when I'm talking. So, here we go! Sorry, I'm going to make a Mario voice. Now I'm going to stop. Okay? I'm really sorry. Bye. I mean, too much Mario voices. Right. Oh, 15 out of 15, none wrong. Wrong, and 15. Yeah. Number bonds. Make 10. Right. So 6 and 6, 4. 0, 10. 7, 3. 10, 0. 6, 4. 1, 9. 0, 10. 3, 7. Right. No, I really should stop talking for a while here. Oh no. Oh no, I thought it was... Right, so 6 and... 4. 4, 6 and 3 is 7. 1 is 9. But wait. I nearly clicked on it. I nearly clicked on 10. I was like, no! Right. After this video, I'm going straight to the toilet. I really need the toilet.
Hayden,
Ah.
turn it off. You can't be saying things like that in there.
7. Right, so shall I do doubles? I'm gonna do doubles. Let's go for it. Double 4. Double 8. Double 3, 6. Double 8. Where is it? Double 3. Double 4. Double 0. 0. Yeah. Bye guys, and let me just do this question. Let me just wait until this timer runs out, and then I'm going to have to go, guys. And yeah. Oh, what? Where is 14? There is 9, 18. Double 6 is 12. Double 7 is 14. Double 2, 4. Double 8. No. Right, now I'm gonna have to go, guys. I'm really gonna have to go.